because we have a better software solution. Now, once the motor threshold estimation was successful, in that case, it's 38.5 of the stimulator intensity. You have reached, you know now the motor threshold. After this, we want to find out from this point where is the point of the treatment. So, the so-called therapy hotspot. Rule of thumb, 5 centimeters to the front, there should be your therapy hotspot. But there is a more precise way. We have the measurements, you know, the 1, 2, 3 measurements, the tragus to tragus, the inion to the nasion, and also, please tell me again.
Circumference.
I love it. Circumference. And with these 3 values, we have a little software, and there you type in these values, and then the software will tell you precisely where the therapy hotspot is. So, rule of thumb, 5 centimeters. Yeah, but
software in the machine helps you to.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's always this way. It's not like anywhere around. It's
No,
always
it's always so you have always somewhere here your motor hotspot, and you have always 5 centimeters to the front somewhere here your treatment point, your therapy hotspot. Okay.
I have a question. Could you go back to the other slide with the
Yeah, sure.
grids? So no, without the.
Yeah, this one. This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if it was, let's say the line, the last dot, for example, that would always be like, it would always be like north towards like the front of the face.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Exactly. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. Very good.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So then boom, boom, boom. Go through all these dots. Find out where is the highest response in the hand, and define one of these dots as your motor hotspot. Okay. Therapy thumb of rules, 5 centimeters to the in a straight line to the front of the head. This is the alternative Beam F3 method. This is the software I was spoken about. So here you just put in these values which you have measured, and then the software calculates for you here it is. The software tells you how many centimeters from your vertex to the front of the face, and how many from here, from the nasion to the straight to the left side. It gives you, let's see,
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. There you have the point. Maybe you could explain this before I say something not correct.
Yes. You type all your.
This is going to be on practical, on the hands-on.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But exactly. Okay. Cool. So this is a more precise way to define the.
And this.
Yeah.
And this is the gold standard you are using, this Beam F3 method.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does that that gives you the therapeutic spot? Does that also give you the mobile hotspot, or do you have to calculate that yourself?
You have to calculate it to find it at your site.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Okay. Well, and then the therapy is ready to start. Yet now you have your all these steps we have done so far. Now we are at step 9. Is only to define this spot. Okay.
Preparation.
And once you have done this, and the good thing is every patient gets a cap. Okay, these caps are washable, and you make this process step 1 to step 8. You make this once,
Right.
and then you keep the patient, or better, the team keeps the cap. The patient comes the next day.
Oh.
The cap is there. You place the cap at the correct position. You measure, okay, that it's exactly as it was yesterday.
So you don't have to like measure every single day.
Exactly. So and this caps helps you for the next 4 weeks. You have always cap on. Okay, there is the spot. Start the treatment. Cap on. Spot is there. Put the coil on. Make the treatment. So the next couple of weeks you have only treatment, and then it's only 30 minutes. And for this step 1 to 8, you maybe need 1 hour. So once in the first session is 1 hour determination of the treatment spot, and then 30 minutes of treatment, and the next 4 6 weeks it's only treatment. This is why we use the cap, and this turns out to be very reliable. Okay, so this is the therapy hotspot. Yeah, and that's it. Here it says, okay, usually once, patient selection and indication, usually once, determine motor hotspot, determine the threshold, and determine the therapy hotspot. And this is what you do then for the next 6 weeks. This and this only once. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. The 9 steps of TMS session. So, and now I think it's time to have some lunch.
Okay. You have, I noticed that you have 3 types of machines, this TMS machines.
Well, okay, this actually is the same as this. The only reason is, the only difference is that this is encapsulated. So beneath the surface, it's the same. Yeah.
I see.
This was created for the States to have a standardized system, and it's the real difference is it looks maybe a little better, but it's way more expensive, because this casing is end user price 10,000.
Yes, I see that.
In Germany we don't use it.
I see.
In Germany we use this. If you have too much money and you're into design, you can take this, but it makes no difference in the therapeutical
Right.
outcome. Just fancy.